What do you think, son? We're up in the clouds, huh?
Yeah, totally.
There it is. That's where we're headed. Well, this sure is a beautiful spot. Not exactly sure if it's a campsite or not. We were gonna try to kind of sneak into that little place. See if we can fit. Looks pretty tight. What do you think, Luke?
Oh, I think maybe. I'm not sure about
See, I'm gonna bring the camera in.
Oh, wow. Barely.
Yeah, I don't know if the truck will be very level. I thought there was more room in here. This is pretty tight. Somebody has camped over there. I see kind of a fire pit. All right, here we are. So I really want to, come here, son. I really want to get Luke addicted to fishing. So that's why I brought him here. Because if you catch a really big fish, then usually you're hooked for life. So we're gonna try to catch a big fish on this trip.
Addicted. Wow, what great wording there.
So we enjoyed a very fun ride over the mountain. You stay in the frame, son.
I don't know.
Right up in the clouds, huh, son?
Yeah, that was really cool.
It was spectacular. And then now that we're at this campsite, this is pretty darn spectacular. This creek is probably one of the prettiest creeks I've ever seen. Beautiful fall scene. Alright, we're gonna hike up the hill and see if we can catch a fish. Come on, Maggie. Come on, Ursa. Oh, one jumped out there. Oh, somebody's fishing right there. Come here, Ursa, come here. Sorry about that. I didn't see you. Nice cast. All right, I just caught a fish. Caught it on a black jig. So, look at that. Woohoo!
Man,
We won't go hungry tonight.
good size too.
Yeah, it's decent. Little rainbow. It's actually not too little. It's perfect for eating. Traded poles with Luke so he could try the black marabou jig since it worked. I caught a fish real fast too. It was like barely in the water. Well, we know there's fish in here. Whew, I'm getting hot. It's kind of wearing my shade hoodie as a base layer, but I think it's time to let it just be my shade hoodie. All right, that's better. Whew, cooler already. Ursa. Good girl. Good dog. Well, we got dinner taken care of, buddy.
Definitely now.
Yep. One for me and one for you. What do you think, son? Do those look delicious?
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Since we are still in a fire restriction, I'm going to be cooking on gas with the Firebox Nano. So hopefully that fire restriction will end pretty soon. It's the middle of September and we've had a couple of decent storms. I'm just going to use the box pot here to rehydrate some potatoes. So get that going. Idahoan brand hash browns. They're really all the same, so it doesn't matter which brand you get. Luke's hands are cold. And we're not going to have a campfire because it's a fire restriction. Our potatoes have come to a boil, so I'm just going to go over and drain these out. Luke's eating all the dried hash browns. He loves them. Better than chips, I guess. Do they need some salt?
Yeah.
Let's get some butter on here.
Whoa.
This is where you find out how level you got your table. So when you see where the butter runs. Doing pretty good so far. Staying in the middle.
Wow, that's melting nice. Filming.
Okay, I put a bunch of butter in there and melted it and put my hash browns in. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. So let's get our trout in. We've got our little guy who's just the right size for this pan. And then we've got our big guy who barely fits. Cover him up. Ours is already done. Alright, let's take a look. Woohoo! Wow, we're cooking faster than I thought. Let's get a fork and our spatula. Let's just see if we can take the meat off of the bones. You can tell when the meat shrinks away from the bones that you'll probably be able to get the meat off pretty good. How's that look, son? We'll take that whole skeleton right on out of there.
Man, yeah, right.
Look at that. Woohoo!
Yeah, second one.
Let's see if we can get this one to go. It's a little bigger, so it'll take longer to cook. Get this bone right here while we can see it. We're gonna be eating real soon, son.
Oh, can't wait.
Cooking fast. Just like that. A little bit of lemon juice on there. And a little more butter. Make it a little more better. I think that side looks like it's got enough fat. I think it's done. What do you think, son? That looks done to me.
Oh yeah.
A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. So I'm just going to go ahead and scoop this for you. Looks like I see a little bone there. Give you a little bit of both fish so you can see what the differences are. Ooh, it looks like the hash browns did brown up a little bit. Alright, and I didn't use onions, so we'll be able to give some of this to the dogs. But let's see how you do with this. Let's go ahead and I'm going to plate up my trout here first. I'm not going to take all this trout, I'm going to save some for the dogs. But I want to see how brown these hash browns got. So I'll flip that over. Oh yeah, look at that. You want some more hash browns, son?
I'm okay.
Alright. So there we go. Trout dinner.
Oh yeah.
The best camping food there is. It's living, huh, son?
Uh-huh.
Can you tell the difference in flavor between the fish?
I'm not sure which one's which.
You can see which one's more pink.
Oh yeah.
Is it hot?
Uh-huh.
I need some more salt.
Whew.
Is that what you needed too? More salt?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get enough or do you want me to help you?
I got it.
I think I like the lighter color one better.
Yeah, me too.
That's weird. I thought I'd like the pink one better. The pink one's a little drier. Sorry, Ursa. We're gonna give you some. Just let us finish first. I have put oil into the box pot and we are gonna make pies. We've got some puff pastry dough, and I've done puff pastry and I've also done pie crust, but puff pastry is square and so you get a lot more dough to work with. With the pie crust, they're already round, so you can't use these corners like this. So you use this side of the pie maker to cut the shape of your pie, and it helps if you can kind of push it down and twist it and see if that'll peel off there, son. And then what I'm going to do is I have some cooking spray that I'm going to spray on the actual pie maker to see if it helps to release the pie a little bit, because sometimes these pies kind of stick to the pie maker. So try that. This is just grocery store pie filling, but it even has a pull top, so it's super easy to work with. So I'm just gonna, did you try this at the family reunion?
Yeah.
Is it pretty good?
I know exactly what I'm doing.
This is good stuff, huh?
Yep.
Do you want some cream cheese in there too?
Yep.
It's okay if you get some filling in cream cheese. Oh, a little bit of lemon. Just enough to make it tangy.
Yep. The lemon helps with that too.
And then I'll get so you squeezed your pie maker. And yeah, you did the right amount. I was worried you had it too full, but it looks good.
I was worried too.
Let me get the deep fryer basket here. I'll just put this together, see if I'm in frame. You just put these little ends in those pockets and then flex it, and then you're ready to go. Just get my spork here so I can get this piece out. And go ahead and put your pie in there, kind of on a diagonal. That'll work. I can move it around once it's in there. Put our first pie in. Oh yeah, that looks like it's about the right temperature. Chilly night, huh?
Yep.
Ooh, golden brown. Look at that
look
beauty.
At that crisp.
It's kind of sticking to that one corner. See if we can get it to pop. There it goes. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful, son. You can give it a minute longer, or you think it's done?
Hard to say. I think it's pretty good though. Maybe just a little bit longer.
Just got to make sure all that filling had a chance to get warm. Go ahead and, if you think it's done. Did you get it cut open?
Yep. It's a bit doughy.
Think it needed to cook longer?
Maybe just a bit.
Oh, because the inside's not very melty?
Mm.
Alright, well, we know now. Still good?
Pretty good actually. Doughy adds to it.
I think that putting that Pam on the pie maker helped, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It didn't stick hardly at all. Maybe a little more of that. Something like that. couple of fresh blueberries and some cream cheese. Was your cream cheese just not melted at all?
Mm.
Was it warm at least?
No, it was very.
Wasn't very warm?
No.
Try to clean off my crust so that it will still stick to itself. Give it a good squeeze, good hard squeeze. See, it puffed out the back, but it didn't rip, so kind of roll it out of the pie maker. And then there you have your little pie. So let's go ahead and put it in the oil. Lift up my... There we go. Yeah, I think that oil's actually hotter than it was before. My pie is much more brown than yours.
Oh, yeah. Golden.
Alright, I don't want to go much longer because that's getting pretty dark brown. A little bit of cream cheese frosting. I didn't put lemon in my pie.
Should have.
Makes it
So
good. Oh. Wow. Mine's warm inside. That's good. Cream cheese. That is pretty dang good. I'm happy with that. So tomorrow I brought stuff we could make fried cinnamon rolls.
Wait, fried?
Yeah, but we'll have to like make them like a donut, like stretch a hole in the middle so they'll cook in the middle so they won't be doughy. My little pie maker. Always got to be careful with hot oil.
Yep.
All right, Ursa. You ready for some trout? Ursa, here's some trout. Maggie, come here. Okay, this one's Maggie's. Good dogs. This one's Ursa. A little more for Maggie. I'm not going to give you guys too much. I don't want to give you an upset stomach. Hold on, that was a little. We'll give Maggie a little more. I have a funny lure here. It actually has a little rubber tail. I don't know if you can see that. That's a lure. And these are supposed to catch the big fish at night. You're supposed to use a mouse at night. I've got my mouse tied on. I tried just the black marabou jig at first, but I didn't get any bites. So now it's time to try the mouse. You're supposed to kind of let them absorb some water so they're a little heavier to cast. And then send them out there. Alright, so I guess I want to reel it in about as fast as a mouse would swim, which probably isn't very fast. Let's see if I get a bite. I've never fished with anything like this before. And they say there's real big fish in here, but I don't know. I guess it must be true. I've got Luke reeling it in. I cast it way out there. It's all up to the fish now. I think we've done our part. What do you think, Luke? You gonna catch a monster?
I'm tired.
You're tired? You're ready for bed? Okay. Well, we won't stay out here long. If we're not having any luck, we'll give up and just go back to camp and go to bed. We didn't have any luck with the mouse lure, so we're gonna walk back to camp and hit the sack. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. and it is a crisp, cold morning. I've got my little mousey here, which I don't really have a lot of faith in, but I'm gonna cast it out a couple times anyway, just to try it out, since it's supposed to attract the biggest of the fish. Cast's pretty nice, that's for sure. I didn't catch a fish, but the sun's coming up and it's really pretty, so I decided to flip on my camera. Let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, that way you can see that hill over there is all lit up. got one on the black jig, which I knew I would. It feels pretty big. Pulling really hard. That's a fun fish to catch, regardless of how big it is. Yeah, it's not huge. There it is. Just decent. It's not even as big as the one last night, but it is decent. Pretty fun to catch. Let's let it go, Urs. There it goes. I got another one. I just had to throw my line in one more time. You know how it goes. So I really need to get Luke down here because he'd catch fish and then he'd have fun. Wow, this fish is really wide. Really tall. It's kind of weird. Wow, look at that guy. Whew. Let's get it up here where you can see it. There it is. Look how wide it is. It's like, I don't know if I've ever caught one that was so wide compared to how long it was. Very nice fish. Okay. I caught a fish every cast with the black jig. Yeah. It'll give us an early start too, so that we can get home so you can do your homework. Luke's reeling in his first cast, and I think he's going to catch a fish. Dang it. I just need to boil water real quick for some coffee. Here, buddy. Drink the rest of that. It's good to drink water in the morning.
I suppose so.
A few moments later.
Looks like we have a boil there, buddy.
May I do the squeeze?
Pushing.
Yes.
Luke's pushing down the AeroPress. He's surprised by how hard you have to push. You almost got it, buddy. It'll make kind of a hissy sound.
This thing could support my body weight. Holy.
Let me see. Yeah, you got it.
Look at that.
Coffee time. Does it smell good? Heck yeah. I need to put on my titanium diffuser plate. There we go. Got quite a bit of bacon. So Luke usually doesn't want any eggs. He doesn't like eggs.
I'm going to try the egg.
The sun is coming up. You'll feel it soon.
Here comes
It's on your face already. We need to turn our heat down just a little bit. Because when bacon goes, it goes fast. I think this bacon is done. I'm gonna stack it up. Because Luke said if they're pretty,
I'll try them.
yeah,
But if they're ugly,
then he's out. So I gotta do a good job. There's a lot of pressure this morning.
yep.
Alright, there's our 3 beautiful eggs. I'm just going to try to do it over easy, very carefully. Try to keep them pretty.
I better be nice.
This one's still going to be Luke's, but I don't think he's going to want much of a runny yolk, so I'm still going to turn it over even though I was trying to do the oil bath thing. I'm just going to warm up Luke's plate real quick. That's warm enough. I don't want it to be too hot. We'll get his egg of perfection. Right there. Bacon. There you go. Let me get some salt on there for you. And some pepper. And then it's pretty important that you eat a little bit of bacon with your bite of egg. Get a little bite of bacon so your mouth starts feeling happy. Oh, the tiniest taste of egg.
I'm not sure about this.
You can do it, son. I believe in you. Well, whatever you don't eat, I'll eat. So, either way, works for me. You trying the eggs? What do you think?
I don't really know.
You haven't decided? Well, it's not bad. That's good.
They're just eggs.
Oh, you got to taste some with some yolk. It's just a tiny bit soft, so that'll be perfect. Take that bite right now. What do you think? Are you coming around? Pretty good? There's hope.
It doesn't compare to bacon though.
Bacon's pretty darn good, huh? That's good.
I realize fried eggs and fried chicken are the same thing, but they're just different ages.
Yes, that's true. I need you to open this for me. You see the seam? Push your fingernail into
I
that.
don't want to do this. Don't
Hurry, push. You got the seam? Here, hold it.
No!
I want to do it right here. Stay.
I'm not holding it.
You don't need to be afraid. There it goes. Was that so exciting?
Oh my
Okay,
god.
sit down. Get one out. These are half pieces. Luke had a hard time making it into a donut, so we'll try these. Oh yeah, these are turning out nice.
Oh yeah.
Look at that, son. That's the good stuff.
Beautiful.
Here you go. Don't touch. I'm gonna see if I can do 2 at a time in here. Woo! The oil's getting hotter. Here's some cream cheese frosting. Still too hot? Is that good? Nice. These other 2 are pretty much done. At least this one is. Let me try a bite. Pretty good. Is it cooked in the middle? Yeah, it is.
What would be really good with that is some blueberries.
Oh yeah, we have blueberries. Oh, cool. That makes me want to plate one up. Here's the one just finished up. Woo, it's hot. Woo, woo, woo. We'll just open it up. I don't know why. We're just going to do a big, beautiful dollop, I think is what you'd call it if you were in the restaurant biz. And then put a whole bunch of blueberries on there.
You ruined my design.
Here, let's show the camera. Does that look beautiful? Or what? Alright, okay. Don't let any blueberries roll off. Hold on, don't eat it.
Just let me eat them.
Slow down, I got a fork. Yeah, the blueberries, good idea. Good thinking.
I just know the winner.
You just know. You do know. I'm worried about getting past this tree. I already bumped it once, but let's see if I can do it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.